ई पोर्टलाक सगळ्यांचोच विरोध आसा। ह्या सिस्टमी खातीर प्रत्येक बिला फाटल्यान 200 रुपया खर्च येतलो आनी हाचो फटको गिरायकांक बसतलो म्हूण तांबा उलयलो।
There has to be a net connectivity in the first place, which in the rural areas and some of the other areas, as we know, there is no proper connectivity as far as internet services are concerned. And secondly, a charge of rupees 200 will be levied per prescription. So ultimately this charge will have to be borne by the customer or the patient who is coming with a prescription. So supposing there is a prescription of 50 rupees, like he is buying a paracetamol and a B complex tablet, and which comes to 50 rupees. In such a scenario, the patient has to shell out additional 200 rupees just because of this e-portal.
29 मे मध्यानराती सावन सगळ्यो फार्मसी बंद आसतल्यो।
There is no connectivity, there is no proper IT, this, plus there is no pharma policy in place. There has to be a pharma policy by which we can decide upon that, we can do all these things. But when there is no proper pharma policy, just a decision of this magnitude cannot be taken at this juncture. So we had requested the government, our parent body, that is AICD, had requested the central government through their letters in the month of March, when this notification was rolled out for public views, and it was seen that government has just not paid any heed to this request that was made either to the Prime Minister or the Health Minister of the Government of India. So now, looking at this scenario, our parent body, that is AICD, decided to go for on a one-day ban, that is all India ban. We are having it on 30th of this month, that is 30th May, wherein all the pharmacies will be closed from 29th midnight till 30th midnight.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गावस आणि सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी।